Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to fix Discord not opening. So just let's start. So first of all, go on to your task manager and after going on to your task manager, just search here Discord and after searching up the Discord, just select it and right click on it. And after right clicking, just click on this end task. And after doing end task, all the task of Discord has been clear and you guys can need to restart your Discord once. And after restarting your Discord application, your Discord will easily open and that's how you guys can easily fix the problem of Discord not opening. Discover the secrets to mastering Discord server creation and bot development with our comprehensive step-by-step course. Elevate your skills and become a Discord expert today. Check out the link in the description to get started. But if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.